Trust me, I know exactly what you are thinking. You watch too much video, learn too much, but your bank account is still empty. Frustrating, right? Don't worry, today I am not giving you another software tutorial. Today we are talking about the one things that puts money directly into your account. The real strategies for earning online with video editing. Let's cut the fluff and get straight to business. Part 1. See yourself through the client eyes. When you message a client, you introduce yourself as a video editor. That's the wrong move. Clients are not looking for a video editor, they are looking for a problem solver. The robot mistake. I can edit video, please give me work. This message sounds robotic. It offers the client zero value. They will immediately compare you to the cheapest option available. The human way, I will 10x your video view. Look how I message a client. Hello John, I notice your podcast clips are good, but they are not going viral. I can take your on-hour footage and turn into 5 viral short. That will boost your video. So that means you are selling a solution, not a skill. Part 2. Pricing. Don't go low, go right. Newcomer fair asking for the right price. Taking low pay, tell the client that your work quality is low. The robot rules, I charge $5 per hour. When you charge hourly, the client always suspect you wasting time. Don't charge by the hour, charge by the project. The human rule, sell a package. Ask yourself, what is the client's biggest need? Consistently content, so sell the monthly package. Bronze package, 10 reels per month plus 2 rounds of revision, that's around $150 to $200. Gold package, 20 reels per month plus 4 YouTube thumbnails plus unlimited revision. That's around $350 to $400. Selling package guaranteed your income and the clients see you as a partner they can rely on. Part 3. Where to showcase yourself. If you have a great portfolio, you need to show it in the right place. And right now, many creators are hiring directly on X. Fiverr has thousands of competitors. Twitter is where big creators hang out and hire fast. Stay on a step ahead, the freebie strategy. This is my most powerful secret. Find a creator on YouTube whose video is good but whose editing is weak. Edit on video for free and message them and say, I took your 5-minute video and made it way more engaging in 2 minutes. Check out the difference. If they will like your work, they will become your first paid client. So if you want to earn money with video editing, you need to talk like a human, understand human problem and present yourself as a problem solver. Work like a human, not a robot. So viewers, if you are new content creator, obviously subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.